Oops. Hello. The light is fading. It's just started raining. It's getting bad. I don't have firewood. My wife just got back from her travels. My goodness, it's all kicking off. She just got back. And she brought me this Top's Chete. The weather is getting filthy. I have this piece of cherry. It's nice and thick. Well, that was going really well cinematographically outside, but the rain switched the camera off. So we're going to have to do this in here. On the hearth is pretty solid. I've got a lot of this firelighter right here. So let me just see. It's quite a big piece of wood, but this thing is very heavy, and it looks like it'll chop pretty well. Now, so initial impressions. I mean, it definitely chops, but doesn't seem to be chopping in that hard. And the handle is kind of prangy with that sharp bit here. I don't think that's smart having that pointy, because sometimes you want to put your finger on it, depending on the knife, you know. For example, see those? All nice and rounded. You can grip it on them just as well as between them. That's a little pointy. Not as comfortable as the buck, but you know, it's rubber. You can get on it just fine. Now this, pointy like that, and angular here, needs gloves. I don't have my gloves. I'll just go back a bit. Alright, let's check this edge. Okay, edge is fine. Hit a bit harder. So, oh man, I left the battery-powered chainsaw out in the rain, and my axe and all that stuff. Okay, I'm going. I think I'm going to get some use out of this. Cool.